Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make a group chat on Facebook Messenger. We'll begin by opening up the Facebook Messenger app like I have here. Once you have it opened, on the very top, do you see this icon right here? So I'm on an iPhone, that's why it's showing up to the right. For Android, it might show up to the left. So wherever you see this icon or on the bottom, so click on this icon wherever it is on your screen. All right, once you clicked on it, now you see over here where it says create a new group. Click on that and then start typing the names of the people you want to be in this group. All right, so once you have selected all the people that you want to be in this group, go ahead and click over here where it says create on the upper right hand corner. And there you go. That's how you can create a group on Facebook Messenger. And one quick thing, if you want to give this group a name, click over here where it says name. And I can just write test group. All right, and click on OK. And there you go. That's how you can create a group chat, a group chat on Facebook Messenger. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.